All right, so meme coins have been all the hype in 2025, and for much of the last year, we've seen them dominate the crypto space. We've seen Trump, Melania, Jailstool, GOAT. We've seen a number of projects reach hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap, even billions of dollars in market cap in a matter of days. And so one project that's been building in the background that's followed by some of the biggest names in crypto is XYZ Verse, because XYZ Verse is followed by massive names in crypto like Mario Nawfal. And this project, they say that, look, XYZ Verse is here to dominate the meme coin game. It's the first all sports meme coin, and it's doing things very different. So their pre-sale has been live for a couple of months. This is October 12th, 2024. And if we're looking at the project, we also can see that their Telegram has grown tremendously. It has over 13,500 people in its Telegram group. And so if we're looking at the project, they've raised over $8 million in a matter of just a few months, and they have been doing some major partnerships, announcing some major things, and have some pretty exciting things on their roadmap moving forward. So if we're looking at it, right now they're still in their pre-sale. It says 8 million out of about 10 million, and it says their listing price is going to be at 10 cents per token. Currently, the price is only at 0.0025, and the next price increase is going to be 2.003. So right now they're in stage 11 out of 15, and it's going to be the cheapest that you will ever be able to buy this token, because this is the very cheapest it'll ever be, because once it reaches that next milestone, it's going to then increase in price. And then when it's set to list, it's going to be listing at 0.1, so at 10 cents per token, which is so much more than it's currently at. So this, it gives you some instant equity in this project as soon as you buy the token, because their listing price is so much higher. Right now you could get it with Ethereum, you could get it with Polygon mainnet, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and you could just get it with directly from their portal. So you just go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. You would connect either Phantom, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or another wallet, and then you're basically good to go. You can also see that this project has already had an audit. So if you look at their audit, there are no major issues with the smart contract at all. And really, that's exactly what you want to see. In addition to this, it takes a minute to load, but you guys can go check that out, and I'll put a link down below. In addition to this, we can go ahead and scroll down. It says, look, about XYZ. XYZ Verse, the GOAT of meme coins. Tired of hopping between overhyped tokens and getting left in the dust. No more rug pulls. XYZ Verse is here to play. They're here to win games. And it says, skip the bridges and bogus transactions. This is the coin that brings memes and moonshots together. Born for the long game. XYZ Verse was forged in the bear market and came out stronger. We're not just surviving, we're thriving. No rugs, no dumps, just solid vibes. And it says it's driven by the community, because every XYZ transaction fuels buybacks, burns, and pure community joy. Their mission is simple: reward holders and take this meme all the way to the top. So something that you really like to see. If we scroll down and talk a little bit about why XYZ, and we'll get back to that in a minute, but the main thing I really want to talk about is their roadmap and tokenomics, because if we look at their tokenomics, you can see that there's 17% of the token allocated to pre-sale, 15% to marketing, 10% for incentives and bonus and airdrops. We also see liquidity at 15%, development and ecosystem at 10%, team at 10%, KOLs at 5%, and deflationary burn at 17%. So all of this is basically geared towards creating value for their token holders. And that's exactly what you want to see when getting into a meme coin project, that there's not too much of the token allocated to the team. You want to make sure that a vast majority of it is allocated to community, which is pre-sale, incentives and bonuses. You'll see deflationary burn. All of those things are directly correlated to the community and benefiting the community. So that's what I really like to see. The token symbol is XYZ, so it's very simple. It's available on Polygon chain, and you can see the address right here. A total of 100 billion total tokens. You could see that. And so really, it's just a very interesting and exciting project. You can see how I talk about why XYZ. It says, for all sports, esports, memes, or any other degens, XYZ is the place to be. And they talk about how it's born in a bear market. It's revenue driven with their buybacks, and has a real ecosystem. It says that they're going to be trying to build out a real ecosystem long term. Last thing I do want to talk about is going to be in terms of their roadmap. You can see their roadmap is planned out right now until the end of 2025. Pre-sale launch was in Q4 of 2024. You could see that they talk about that a little bit on their X, where they say the pre-sale is officially live in October. Then you could see that they say in Q1 and Q2 of 2025, we're going to start seeing token generation and exchange listings. Q3, we're going to see gamification and play to earn integration. It says launch the first wave of gamified products for users, forge partnerships with leading sports games and platforms for seamless integration, introduce play to earn features to reward active participation, and begin developing a platform to drive crypto mass adoption. Then into Q4, we also see there's going to be celebrity sports collaborations. So it says partner with high-profile sports personalities to amplify reach. There's going to be digital entertainment expansion and a lot more. So really, this project has had a lot of exciting things going on. They've already raised over $8 million. And if we're looking at what they're planning on doing, like really, they are the very first all sports meme coin to ever exist. They have raised quite a bit of money, and they're doing some things that are pretty exciting in the crypto space. So if we're looking for meme coins right now that are doing big things, we can see that it's XYZ, in my opinion, because XYZ has a very simple name and it's really capitalizing on a lot of things going on in the market. We're seeing that the overall meme coin market cap is right around $74 billion, but it's still well off of its all-time highs. So if you're looking at getting into projects early, making a lot of money, really, in my opinion, that's with meme coins, because that's the only place where you can see projects go from pre-sale to launch to $1 billion market cap in less than a week. Like, we haven't seen that with any other project or any other sector in the crypto space. And so that's why I personally did invest in XYZ, and why I'm excited to see what is going to come out of it.